Now that we have MidJourney, the free version, available in our Discord channel, I will show you how to create images for the AI fitness influencer that we already started building. So select one of these channels that is available. Let's say I select this one. And the first thing that you'll notice is that a lot of people are already creating images. So all your images are going to be public. In order to create images in this channel, all you have to do is go to the messages, type /imagine. As you type, you can notice that I get different suggestions for commands, but the ones to create images is this one. And then you need to introduce your prompt. Let's say this is my simple prompt, and to run this, you need to click enter. Now we can see this message. Due to extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. Please subscribe to create images with MidJourney. The problem with the free trial for MidJourney is that, as you can see, sometimes the channels can be overloaded. So that means that there are too many users in these channels and they are not able to provide the service. This usually happens later in the day. So you may get a notification such as this one. This is one of the main reasons for which I recommend signing up for the lowest paid version, because you'll know you'll have access to MidJourney anytime you need. And for somebody that wants to build an AI influencer for social media as a business, it is essential to be able to create images, and you cannot rely on trying different times on the day to see when the server is available. So let me show you the possibilities for the subscription. Click subscribe. And this is opening a new channel with the MidJourney bot. And you can see this is a personalized link to manage your account. Click manage account and visit website. Now we can see the subscriptions available. If I click on monthly billing, the cheapest one is $10 a month. The main difference between these plans is how fast and how many generations you can make. Also, if you are having privacy on the images or not. So for example, with the basic plan, you get 200 generations a month, which basically means that you can create 200 images. And of course, the general commercial terms, you also get access to a gallery where it's going to show all your past images created, so you will not lose access to them once you close the Discord. And you can run 3 jobs at the same time. So that means trying to create 3 images at the same time. For the standard plan and pro plan and mega plan, it's usually that you have unlimited generations, more time for fast generations. And also one different thing for the pro plan and mega plan is that you have this stealth image generation, which basically means that you can opt out of the gallery and that people will not have access to be able to see your images. For now, for the basic plan and standard plan, all the images that you are creating are available in a common gallery. But if you choose Pro Plan or Mega Plan, you are able to opt out of that. Unless you are at a very high level where you need a lot of power from MidJourney, your business is based on MidJourney mostly, and you want these images to be highly private unless you release them, I suggest going for the basic plan, because 200 generations a month is enough to give you content for every day on Instagram, for example, or any other social media. So I went for this basic plan, which I find that it's very good value and it's also very cheap. It's the price of 2 coffees, so I recommend that. So now I would log in into my plan and I will show you how it works. If you have more questions about the subscriptions, check down below frequently asked questions, and they explain to you what are fast hours, what does unlimited relaxation generation means. They explain everything that they can offer. So if you want in more detail, you can check out here. But yeah, let's show you how you can actually use MidJourney